It takes months to learn the basics of a new language and even longer than that to become proficient in it. But what if I tell you, you can translate the text in over 70 languages without even knowing a single one of them? Sounds shocking, but it's true, and that's the power of machine learning. Amazon Translate is a machine learning service available on AWS Cloud Platform that uses neural networks trained for language translation. You can customize the translation output using the features like custom terminology and parallel data. Custom terminology helps in keeping company name, brand name intact after the translation. You can use real-time translation for short documents, or you can use batch translation mode to translate hundreds of text, Word, Excel, PPT, or HTML files in one go. This is an example of real-time translation of text from English to Spanish language. And this is an example of multiple files getting translated from English to French language. The best part is the formatting of Excel, PPT, or Word document files remains intact even after the translation. For example, this PPT slide translated from English to Portuguese language, and the formatting stayed intact even after the translation. Similarly, this Excel file translated from English to German language, and the formatting stays the same. By combining a couple of other cool services available on AWS Cloud Platform, we can achieve audio-to-audio translation between multiple languages. For example, this audio clip on the left-hand side is in English language, and it is translated into Russian language, and no machine learning skills are required for this. Let's hear the short preview of these audio clips before and after translation. Amazon Translate is a cloud-based automatic text translation service that uses advanced machine learning technologies to provide high-quality translation on demand.
Amazon Translate – это облачный сервис автоматического перевода налогов, который использует передовые технологии машинного обучения для обеспечения высококачественного перевода по запросу.
Like audio translation, we can also achieve video-to-video translation between multiple languages. For example, the video clip on the left-hand side is in English language and it is translated into Danish language. This video-to-video translation is highly suitable for PPT type of videos. Let's see the short preview of these video clips before and after translation. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So let's talk about some of the sample use cases of Amazon Translate. First, in corporates, we can use Amazon Translate to translate internal documentations, KB articles, white papers, minutes of meeting, etc.
Hej alle sammen. Velkommen til denne video. Så lad os tale om nogle af prøven. Brug tilfælde Amazon oversætte først. Inkorporere. Vi kan bruge Amazon oversætte til at oversætte interne dokumentationer, kilobyte-artikler, hvidbøger, referater af møde osv. Næste i.
I will also show you how you can use AWS WordPress plugin to translate your blog post into multiple languages using Amazon Translate and giving voice to your post utilizing another service available on AWS platform. With this course, you will get all the course slides in PDF format and a regular update in the course contents without any extra cost to you. Answer to any of your queries within 24 hours and a 30 days no question asked money back guarantee. So this course is going to be an exciting journey and you will be able to learn lot many things at one place. So if you are interested, get yourself enrolled now and I hope to see you inside the course. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you all the very best in your learning. Thank you.